Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hajrayana. I'm student of State Islamic Institute of Palopo, English Department in 6th semester. I would like to explain my journal, and the theme of my journal is an error analysis on the use simple present in a descriptive text written by the 10th grade student of senior high school number 2 Luwu in academic. The first is introduction. Writing is more than a medium of communication. It is a way of remember and way to thinking well. As it is known, writing involves much work and practice. The writing process integrates visual, motoric, and conceptual abilities. In order to get a good construction and well arranged in writing form, the student has to produce good and right sentence. Therefore, they should know a set of rules that must be followed with each said grammar. Grammar is the major system in arrange of words in a sentence. It tells us about from the pattern in language. In addition, it also tells us how to put correctly a sentence up, such as on the use of word order, verb and noun system, modifier, phrase, and clauses in each sentence. The next is literature review. This journal discusses further about error analysis, the rules of simple present tense, and descriptive text. The definition of error analysis, according to Harmer, errors are part of the student interlanguage. That is the variety of the language which learners have stage of development and which is referred to concern complete mastery. The next is the difference between error and mistake. When we talk about error, we may also think about mistake. Error and mistake are not the same. It is essential to make difference between error and mistake, and most of people still misinterpret between the meaning of both. The next is how to analyze error. According to Alice, there are 4 steps to analyze the rare error in writing. The first, identifying the errors, describing the errors, explaining the errors, and evaluating the errors. The definition of simple present tense. According to Asar, simple present tense is helpful to know timeless tense for action, repeatedly or general, through an action summarized in single instance, with no reference to past future. The rule of simple present tense. According to Malik, the pattern of simple present tense is follows. The first is in positive sentence, the subject I, you, we, they plus verb 1 without ses, and she, he, it plus verb 1 with ses. Meanwhile, in the middle of from subject I plus to be am, you, we, they plus to be are, and she, he, it plus to be is. In negative and interrogative sentence, the auxiliary do for subject I, you, we, they, and does for subject he, she, he, it. Spelling s add on the verb of follow by the subject she, he, it, the singular noun, profession, and third person. Spelling es add on the verb that the last word is ss, sh, ch, x, o, if followed by subject she, he, it, the singular noun, profession, and the third person. Spelling ies is add on the word that has consonant followed by y, if followed by the subject she, he, it, the singular noun, profession, and the third person. Spelling y changed to be I, but if denoted by vocal before y, that directly added by s. Verb have in positive sentence if followed by subject of sentence, she, he, it, the singular noun. Profession and the third person change to be has changed. The next is descriptive text. According to Kawan in Fahmi, descriptive present the appearance of thing that occupies the space, objects, people, and building. The aim of descriptive is to convey the reader what something looks like, an attempt to paint a picture with words. A method of investigation. The writer used descriptive qualitative method. The population of this study was all of the 10th grade students at senior high school number 2 Luwu and took 22 students of the 10th grade student of Excel 2 as the sample. The next discussion. There are 22 student writing used as the data of this research. The writing is descriptive text in the form of paragraph with different topic and the different lengths. Based on the errors, the research has formed an error taxonomy for analysis, including the following categories and subcategories: omission of subject, omission of to be in the present tense, omission of s or es in the verb form, addition of subject, addition to be and simple present tense, addition of preposition, misformation of using verb past, misordering of word order. The next is, or the last is, conclusion. Based on the data described in the previous chapter, the writer could draw a conclusion concerning with the type of error and the use of simple present tense in writing descriptive text made by 10th grade student of senior high school number 2 Luwu in academic year 2015 or until 2016. I think that's all for me. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.